to exit 925 often means you gotta leave the country. It doesn't always have to be that way, but sometimes it absolutely helps. I don't know about you, but as you tuned in, I'm pretty sure you might know that feeling of this inner urge and the deep feeling and itching of wanting to go to new adventures. And that is exactly what this is about. To escape your everyday life, your 9 to 5, and this could be done in different ways. And I want to present some of them, try some of them out for myself. But for now, we're going to start with Iceland. So, after almost 16 months without traveling internationally, the urge got me today. I really had to leave the country and I left for Iceland. This was my exit 925 today. And as you might already know, Iceland is a land of beauty. Examine. It also is the country of waterfalls, and there are a whole lot of them. So we are going to explore them, and it also is the country of fire and ice. So we are going to try to see some glaciers and some volcanoes and possibly walk on them. But that's not supposed to be it. Just beautiful pictures and landscapes. It's also about inspiring you to get here. It's about information about what to do here, where to get it, what to do, what not to do, and stuff like that. It's also about seeing new places, make new adventures, possibly make new friends, to see the world and beyond. And if you want to join us on this adventure, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video, because it helps a lot. And I hope we escape the everyday life in the next video together again. See you over there.
When the water's spilling over the bow, you'll still have me in the wings. You gotta get up to get down, kid. You gotta get down to get up again. You gotta get up to get down, kid. You gotta get down to get up again. Someday I will be weaker than I am now, and I still won't know everything. But when I'm passing up and over the clouds, I hope that you'll have learned from me. Someday you will be stronger than you are now.